Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's time to take a bath. Hey guys, we just came home. I'm with my boss. Work travel. And we just came home guys. Hello. How are you today guys? I hope you're doing well. While watching me. You should know. I have to meet too much. How are you guys? How are you doing? I hope you're doing well while watching me. You a little bit there's a little bit water guys, but I need to fix this very fast because it's already I woke up late guys, then I need to dry it fast because it's uh, it's my work time already guys. I do fast guys because I have work. I need to go to work now. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys, and because I'm going to be late. I have work. Okay. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching and welcome back to me. That's all guys. And later on I like and tie my hair. But for now, because I go to the kitchen, then I need to ponytail like that. There's a little bit water guys, but it's okay. Okay, thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching, and as I always said, keep safe everyone. Bye for now. I'm already back in my room.